So welcome everybody. We are the Data Science and AI batch number 2017. Here with me we have Stefania from Colombia and Baris from Turkey. And I'm Theodore from Belgium. And we'll be talking about and presenting you our 2-week project on AI and enterprise and focusing on a wine business. So first of all, I'm going to ask you who here is bad at wine selection. So quite a couple of people, some outliers, but okay. So what makes it difficult? Can I ask someone here from the front row? Yes, Bea.
What makes it? I don't drink alcohol. That is.
You don't drink. Okay. Okay, budget, for example. So yeah, we actually created a solution for you that's AI powered and that will allow you to make any alcohol, but maybe in a few years you will have 0% wines that we're going to be able to recommend you. Unfortunately, in this case, we don't have it yet. But so our customer goal is for you, Bea, to be talking to a sommelier chatbot. That's you can ask anything about wines, and it will offer you prime wine selections from our database and from our stock. And we want you to have a fast and a really good customer experience. For the technical part, the sommelier uses Gemini Flask 1.5 API, and basically you talk to him. He captures your prompt once you enter your information of what you want, and he will look into our inventory database and recommend you with the best wines. So now we'll go through a demo using you, Bea, what you will be. So I'm guessing you're 18 and more. Even if you don't drink, it's 19, okay, good. So here we're gonna talk to the sommelier. We have two options, match to wine and or sommelier chatbot, but for today we're only gonna focus on the sommelier chatbot. So what are you gonna be eating tonight, or maybe the budget you were saying? Yes. So catfish and low budget, let's say, yes. And you want a red or white wine? Red. Great. Red wine with catfish and low budget. Great. Thank you, Baris. So here our app and our chatbot is transferring this question and looking into our database, and now it will give an outcome on 3 different wines that you will be able to to have.
It's running. It's running.
It's running. Finally, yes, it works. It works. It does. First time there is like a 10-second gap, but usually it's really good. So here, what he's describing is 3 different wines. The first one, I'm only gonna describe the first one. He explains what it's a good match. So it's a light-bodied and fruity, making it a great match for delicate fish like cod. Its bright acidity cuts through the richness of the dish without overpouring it. Plus, it's generally affordable. And it also gives a rating and how much of these bottles we have in stock. So it's 5 and 59 in stock. And then we have the 2 other wines. For now, which one would you choose? The first one, yes. We'll add 1 bottle. Baris, we can go to the basket. You have your basket. It costs $20. And we check out, fill in the registration form. Here, Baris is gonna offer you some wine delivered to you. Yes. He's a very gentleman guy, so yes, really good. So we continue the payment. Thank you, Baris, for offering her some wine. She doesn't drink, by the way, so it's -20 on the bank account, and that's it. Thank you, Baris. Very nice. So here we just demonstrated our platform, and now Stefania is going to go through all the what we worked on the back end to offer you this and to make the business fully automated.
So this is more than just a customer experience solution. What about the business? We are actually tackling some real pains from small to medium companies. Right now, this is like some statistics. They spend on average half a week dealing with suppliers, with all the coordination behind the suppliers. This is huge. This is what costs businesses 1 trillion in lost sales when they get out of stock items. And there is also something really important, and the sommelier is like solving that specifically. Retail salesperson spends from 30 to 50% of their time answering repetitive questions. Once like our sommelier can answer easily without like the need to be retrained. Right now, what's going on with Bet? We are looking into 100,000 wines. We are pairing it with the database that has 21 million wines rated from 1 to 5. And we select the best ones above 4. And we go to our suppliers, we get that best wines into our stock. And this happens every single month. So imagine the amount of people we need to run this business monthly, doing this whole operation. That's why we build this automation without humans, and Beres is going to explain you what's behind.
Thank you, Estefania. Now I will talk about the automation part of the business. So let's say Bia talked with our sommelier and decided which wine she wants to order. And she orders the wine. Our machine, Josh, takes that order to our stock management, and it takes that order to our sale data. Each month, we get monthly sales from the sales data. We group them according to their grapes, acidity, and alcohol level. And we do prediction for upcoming 2 months, which group we're expecting to sell, and how many bottles we're expecting to sell in each group. And then we take that groups, we look our 100,000 wine set, we look for each wine, and we group them, and according to the grouping, we order from their suppliers. And that wines goes to our stocks afterwards. So this whole process is fully automated, and it's all run by machines, and very minimum amount of human interaction. So what is the future? We can add image recognition in our sommelier, so it can understand the wines as well with their photos. We can have voice sommelier, so people will actually have a different kind of experience with our sommeliers. We have a customer memory that we understand our customers, learn about them, and advise according to that. And plus, we can actually create a new subscription model for them.
And imagine that you just like have a new wine that you want to taste, but you don't know if it's going to be above 4 stars, and you want to try just the best wines. We are going to build a new wines rating prediction for you to like just input the wine, and we are going to tell you if it's above 4 stars. We also are thinking about creating this software as a service. For example, if you want to use this whole process to automate your business, you can do it, and you just need to change the stock. For example, if you want to set a coffee shop, you can just input the stock of your coffee shop, and we are going to run the whole model for you. This is scalable. We use like the right amount of stock, the perfect amount, because we do the predictions for the sales. This is fast, and this is reliable. Thank you.
Yeah.